515 is a trophy grade.
No woman has ever climbed it, and we're all saying who's going to do it.
So many men and women have raised the bar. If someone can do it, I can do it.
Margot definitely has fire in her eyes.
She's got this relentless tenacity. It's just like, whoa.
Oh my God. Good luck, brother.
There's nothing like the feeling of climbing ropeless, dangling by your fingertips above the sea, and you're climbing 70 feet up. It's an intense commitment.
It's probably safe.
I took a little fall climbing. I'm in the hospital.
Brad Gobright is one of the most bold climbers with a commitment to sketchy, dangerous climbing.
Brad is climbing at a super high level, whereas, his life situation, not so much.
Brad is a quirky guy. He's not what I would call pro climber material.
Dude, what are you doing?
Using the 9.7 Lightning Pro.
But he's willing to push it right up to the limit. It is scary.
I forgot my glazed croissant.
People look at me and say, wow, you're climbing with one arm. They're like, no, I have no excuses.
Come on.
You never had an excuse in the first place.
People have very low expectations of disabled people. Good job, you're walking. It's like, are you kidding me?
I don't want to be good for a girl. I don't want to be good for just having one hand. I just want to be a good climber.
Even if it's hard, sometimes you get this surge of energy, this magic. You feel unstoppable.
My hands are sweating thinking about it.
It's pretty freaking spectacular.
Doesn't get much better than that. Oh, man.